Hello, welcome to my class on rhythm and rhyme in English. I am Mr. Uyomoramu, and in this class, I'll be teaching you what rhythm and rhyme represent in English. Have you ever wondered that in poetry there seems to be a sort of musicality, or in music there is a pattern or beats that songs tend to flow with? Of course, in dance also, there seems to be a pattern that the body moves along with. That's what rhythm is all about. So, what is rhythm? Simply put, rhythm is a strong pattern of sounds, words, or musical notes that are used in music, poetry, and dance. In this lesson, my focus shall be on poetry. Of course, poetry is the foundation of music and dance. Rhythm in English depends on two types of stress, that is word stress and sentence stress. When we say stress here, we mean that we emphasize or say a syllable or word more strongly or louder than the other parts of the word or sentence, which makes those stress syllables stand out and become more noticeable. English is timed by the syllables of stress. It is thus irregular in reading. That is, the English language as a whole is irregular in rhythm. In phonetics, rhythm is the sense of movement in speech marked by the stress timing, a quantity of syllables. Therefore, rhythm has a correlation with stress, as intonation has a correlation with pitch. What that means is that when we talk about rhythm, it is from stress that we get rhythm. It's from pitch that we get intonation. So, I'll be taking you through some special terms like rhyme, rhyming words, and rhyme scheme. But to start with, what is rhyme? A rhyme is a repetition of similar sounds, usually exactly the same sound, in the final stressed syllables and any falling syllables of two or more words. Most often, this kind of perfect rhyming is consciously used for artistic effect in the final position of lines within poems or songs. But there's a difference between rhythm and rhyme. So the big question is, what is the difference between rhythm and rhyme? Now, while rhyme is the correspondence of words and syllables, rhythm is a pattern of a poem marked by stressed and stressed syllables. Second, while rhyme is mostly concerned with use of words and syllables, rhythm is concerned with words, phrases, and lines. Third, while rhyme can be divided into internal and external rhyme, rhythm can be categorized into groups based on syllables. Rhyme is a pattern of words that contain similar sounds. Rhythm, on the other hand, is a movement with uniform recurrence of beats or accent. Rhythm is the musicality of your speech occasioned by stressed and unstressed sounds. In its crudest form, rhythm has a beat with little or no meaning. Children often use them in games and counting out rhymes. Rhyme and rhythm are key elements in or poem. They add musicality to poetry and serve as the backdrop against which the ideas and imagery can flow. So that takes us to types of rhyme. Now we have different types of rhyme. We have the perfect rhyme, we have the slant rhyme, we have the I rhyme, we have masculine rhyme, we have feminine rhyme, and we have end rhyme. The perfect rhyme is a rhyme where both words share the exact assonance. Assonance means the same vowel sounds, a number of syllables. It is also known as an exact rhyme. So another name for the perfect rhyme is the exact rhyme, or a full rhyme, or a true rhyme. An example is the words dead and head. The S sound in dead and head, the hair in dead rhymes with the hair in head. The next one is the slant rhyme. The slant rhyme is a rhyme formed by words with similar but not identical assonance and or number of syllables. So the slant rhyme, the words that are rhyming do not have the same number of syllables, and the vowel sounds may be or may not be identical. It could also be the other way around. That is, words of identical consonants. Consonants means consonant sound, with different vowel sounds. Slant rhyme is also known as half rhyme, imperfect rhyme, or near rhyme. Examples like sting and sharing. The words that rhyme, the syllables are rhyme. The two words are the vowel sound sting rhymes with the vowel sound in the last syllable of the word sharing. We have worm, W-O-R-M, and swam. Now, the two vowel sounds, the vowel in worm does not necessarily rhyme with the vowel in swam, but the consonant M rhymes with the consonant M. The consonant M in worm rhymes with the consonant M in swam. Then we also have words like fudge, F-U-D-G-E, and ridge, R-I-D-G-E. So in this case, the vowel sounds do not rhyme, but the consonant sounds G in fudge rhymes with the consonant sound G in ridge. Then we have the next one, the I rhyme. From the way the word goes, the rhyming words are gotten by spelling, not by pronunciation. So the I rhyme is found in two words that look similar by reason of spelling, but not actually rhyme in pronunciation. Examples include move and laugh. Move is spelled M-O-V-E. And laugh is spelled L-O-V-E. O-V-E that ends the two words are similar, but the sound, the pronunciation are not similar. So have another word as hour and pour, O-U-R-R, and seems to look the same as the O-U-R in pour, but the pronunciation is different. Next, you have the masculine rhyme. Masculine rhyme is a type of rhyme which occurs in the stressed final syllables of words of two lines. Some examples include fair and compare. So fair rhymes with pair in compare. You have dog and log. You have collect and direct. The lect in collect rhymes with the rect in direct. Then you have the feminine rhyme. Feminine rhyme is a multisyllable rhyme where both stressed and unstressed syllables rhyme with their respective counterparts. For instance, you have the words crazy and lazy. The syllables cray and lay are stressed rhymes, and Z in crazy and Z in lazy are unstressed rhymes. The last one is the end rhyme. The end rhyme are rhymes that occur between final words on two particular lines of a poem. End rhymes can either be masculine, for instance, below, B-E-L-O-W, and furlough, F-U-R-L-O-U-G-H. So what rhymes in the two words is the low in below and the low in furlough. Or feminine, for instance, actual and factual. Now, this takes us to the next subheading, that is a rhyme scheme. There are endless number of rhyme schemes that may manifest in a poem, but some of the most popular are the A-B-A-B, A-B-C-B, A-A-B-B-A, A-A-B-B. The A-B-A-B is exemplified in the poem shown here. The coolness of the night refreshes my skin, the stars shine so bright, causing me to grin. The first line ends with the word night, so night is marked as A. The next line is refreshes my skin. Skin does not rhyme with night, so skin is marked as B. The third line, the stars shine so bright. Bright does not rhyme with skin, but rhymes with night, so it's tagged as A because bright rhymes with night. The last line is causing me to grin. We discover that grin rhymes with skin, so it's marked as B. So line 2 rhymes with line 4, BB, and line 1 rhymes with line 3, AA. So the rhyme scheme there is ABAB. The next is the ABCB as exemplified in this poem. Roses are red, violets are blue. I really do love looking at you. The first word, the last word in the first line, red, is marked A. The second line ends with the word blue and is marked B because blue does not rhyme with red. The third line ends with the word love. It's marked C because love does not rhyme with blue and does not rhyme with red. And the last line ends with U. U rhymes with blue, so B is also tagged B. So the rhyme scheme here is A, B, C, B. And then we have the rhyme scheme A, A, B, B, A in the poem. What is a limerick? Mother. So mother, the last syllable in the word mother, is marked A. Is a form of verse said brother. Last syllable in the word brother rhymes with the last syllable in the word mother, so it's A also. So you have line 1 is A, line 2 is A, in which lines 1 and 2. So the last word in the third line it ends with 2. So 2 doesn't rhyme with brother, and 2 doesn't rhyme with mother. So you call the third line, because of the word that ends it, you call it B. And the fourth line reads rhyme with 5 when it's through. So through rhymes with 2. So you call it B also. And they are 4 rhyme with each other. You notice that other rhymes with brother and mother. So we call it A also. So that's a package of this lesson in which I shown you what rhyme and rhythm is. Of taking time to define what rhythm is, and also what rhyme is. Take you through the essence of rhythm and rhyme in poetry. Of course, you also have rhythm and rhyme. Of course, basically you have rhythm in music and dance. Also showed you what the difference between rhythm and rhyme is, and also take you through rhyme scheme and types of rhyme. So I believe you have gotten something to play with the tip of your fingers by the reason of this lesson. So I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next class. Thank you.